Welcome back, guys. We have a big earnings week: Microsoft, Meta, Starbucks. Let's break it down. First, I hope you watched my video. We've been buying Microsoft around this $440 level, right in this area right here. We are currently up over 4 to 5% on this. We're moving into Wednesday earnings up in the green right now, which is nice. We know that Microsoft has been trending through these lines, and once it hit this yellow line, got below 460, we started scooping up shares around that $440 to $445 level. We are looking for a move higher, but one level you need to pay attention to is right here at this 471. We had a clear rejection candle come in. This was the end of the day, so no big deal, but it did drop 6 points, so we're going to keep an eye on that. Can Microsoft continue its bullish momentum into Wednesday and push higher, confirm that break and retest, and then push up higher? Something we will have to be watching. Next, I want to go over into Meta. Looking at Meta stock on the 5-year chart, this is make or break here. You can see from 2022, we have been going up on this, circled here at $460 per share, bounced off of 588, bounced off of 622, and now all within those 2 days, it bounced from 600 all the way up to 660. The rightful move it has done using these support channels on the long-term trend. What I would do is just sit on the sidelines. Let's see what Meta reports. It's got a big ways to go. If it does break this level down around 617, we will see after earnings it go lower. But if it can prove to beat Wall Street, it is going to push back up probably into the 700s, most likely an 8% move back up to 700. So I would pay attention to that. Lastly, you guys know that I have Starbucks in the long-term portfolio, but I am aware that it has run up in the last month. If you look at this in the 1-year chart here, $76 did bounce. We've been accumulating shares. I think we're somewhere in the 80s for this cost basis. We're sitting pretty here, but not going to lie, this $100 is definitely a point of resistance. So we need to be cautious of this. I definitely would keep an eye out for this $100 level on earnings on Wednesday. It's rejected multiple times. This is something that you are going to have to pay attention to as we move forward. Another bonus I want to just bring to you guys is watch Ethereum. You guys know that this is a nice bear flag setup. Look right here. Let me break it down for you newer traders. Anytime you get a sell off like this, we start consolidating in this flag, and now we are starting to break lower. We're at 2,900. Let's see, can we finally break this low at $2,600 and make our descent down to $2,400? That would be an excellent buying opportunity. And another stock that you really should keep your eyes on is AVGO. AVGO in the last 5 days has really sold off, hit that $314 level. Now we are pulling back. I would be watching for a pullback to about at least $283. AVGO can move 50 points in 1 day. It proved that when it went from 413 all the way down to 461. If it does pull all the way back here, that'll be a 30% pullback, an excellent pullback for a growth stock.